For many years, Solwise have been supplying solutions for Wi-Fi users with caravans, motorhomes and leisure boats. These solutions address a number of problems which you may have encountered. The Patriot-DB introduced here brings additional power and flexibility to our range. Getting a good Wi-Fi signal from a public service provided by a caravan site or marina is often complicated by the lay of the land. The first problem is that many objects such as buildings and caravans, even your own caravan's skin, can block Wi-Fi. In addition to this, handheld devices themselves tend to have rather weak built-in antennas which rarely give a good reception at more than 50 or so metres from the mast. The Solwise solution to these problems is to provide a high-gain antenna placed outside the caravan in a location which optimises Wi-Fi reception. Inside the caravan, a Wi-Fi access point emits a fresh, strong Wi-Fi signal. Because it is the Patriot-DB device which logs into the system, multiple devices can connect to the indoor access point. They will appear to the site Wi-Fi system as a single user. The Patriot-DB is a dual band device. This means it works in both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi frequency ranges. Prior to 2019, the 5 GHz band was little supported by the sort of sites of interest to caravanners and boaters. Now, with the increase in popularity of the internet and streaming services in particular, sites are starting to upgrade to support both ranges. This means that most of their capacity will be provided on the 5 GHz band, and the 2.4 GHz band is likely to be very congested. The Patriot-DB can access services on both bands.
There may be times when you need to take a weak Wi-Fi signal and boost it for a local area, for instance in your garden. The Patriot-DB can collect a signal from either 2.4 gig or 5 gig and repeat it for local users. We do not recommend this mode in a public space as it may cause congestion of the frequency bands when the system tries to repeat the traffic of every single user on the network.
If you want to provide a Wi-Fi signal to an outside area such as your garden and have the option to run a cable back to your router or hub, then the Patriot-DB is ideal. If you have a need to connect a nearby building to your internet service, then a pair of Patriot-DB units can be configured to do this. You can choose whether a standard Wi-Fi service is available to users in the area between the buildings or not.
The Patriot-DB has a number of optional mounting systems including suction cups to mount on a window or a smooth metal surface, a U-bolt to mount on a horizontal rail or ladder rung, a U-bolt and saddle for a vertical pole or ladder rail, and simple screw holes for mounting on wood or masonry.